By Any Other Name, a short story by Santa Rama Rao about two Indian sisters attending a British-run school. It critiques colonial attitudes and cultural alienation, illustrating the sisters' experience of identity and resistance. By Any Other Name explores themes of cultural displacement and identity through the story of Premila. It highlights her struggle, racism, and the pressure to conform to British culture. The story emphasizes hope through Premila's resilience, the support of her friends, and the importance of cultural pride and community. By Any Other Name by Santa Rama Rao explores identity, prejudice, and self-acceptance in colonial India. The story follows Premila, an Indian girl at a British-run school, who faces challenges balancing her cultural with colonial pressures. It highlights the pain of ethnic judgment and the struggle for acceptance, encouraging readers to embrace their identity and challenge prejudice.